Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into managing employee benefits in Monday.com. To kick things off, let's create a new board for our employee benefits management. Click on the Add New button on your dashboard, select Board, and name it Employee Benefits. This will be our home base for managing all aspects of employee benefits. Having a dedicated board helps keep things organized and easily accessible. Now that we've done that, let's add some groups. These can represent different types of benefits such as healthcare, retirement, or vacation. Click on Add Group, type the name of the benefit, and hit Enter. The reason we do this is to categorize benefits and make it easier for us to manage and track them. Next up, let's add items within these groups. These can represent individual benefit packages or plans. Click on Add Item, write the plan name, and press Enter. This helps us because it allows us to break down each benefit category into specific plans offered to employees. Here's where it gets interesting. For each item, we can add specific data points, or as Monday calls it, columns. Click on Column Center, then More Columns, and select the type of data you want to add. For instance, you might want to track the cost of each plan, the number of employees enrolled, or the provider. Let me explain why this matters. These columns give you the ability to track, analyze, and manage specific aspects of each benefit plan. Lastly, don't forget to use the Update section to keep notes, communicate with your team, and track changes. Simply click on Updates on your item, type your message, and hit Enter. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every update you make gets logged, creating a historical record of all changes and communications related to that benefit plan. And that's it, folks. A quick, easy, and efficient way to manage employee benefits in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to stay organized and make full use of groups, items, and columns. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.